Being someone who have done the same transition from being an IC, being a manager, and then managing managers, I always try to say, get back to your roots. And by that I mean what makes a person stay motivated and in what makes them enjoy the work. Especially with our line of work in technology, there's so many things that you can be good at. You can be maybe trying out something new. Always try to get back to your roots on why you're doing this in the first place. And that's where you will find that motivation on how to push yourselves. So for managers, I know that their challenge is to motivate people, give them not just really push them or stretch them, but to come out the best results, come up with the best results for their role, and also coming with, at the end of it, they enjoy it, and it's a cycle of motivation moving forward.